I should have said to you nice and early. We were driving down and there was a mini roundabout. Okay, it was quite sunny, so you have your sun visor on. So it was this type of roundabout there. So there was no road on the left, there was a road on your right, and there was a pub there as well. And it become 2 lanes, so one for to go to the right, the left is going ahead. Now you were in a correct lane. There were a lamppost sign on the left telling you there's a roundabout coming up. There was a giveaway line painted on the floor. There was a giveaway sign on the triangle there. There was all those things over there. Now when you were approaching, you did not approach slowly. Number one, okay, that you might get away with it, but not even once you looked on your right. You just boom, gone straight. What risk you think you have taken?
If the person over here is coming, he'll bump into me.
Yeah, I was ready. If somebody would have come out and pressed the brake, but I was also checking my back, because if there would have been somebody behind, would have been a problem. Luckily, there was nobody close by, but you missed quite a lot of vital signs there, Lijo. You missed the roundabout sign, you missed the giveaway sign, you missed the painted lines on the floor. All those things, which is a telltale sign, you missed quite a lot, really. Okay.